Hey guys, welcome back. I am so excited that you are here today because we have a huge project to share with you. We are calling this one our Sierra project, and it is what we have dubbed here at Studio Rigs a whole home design. So for us, a whole home project includes 4 or more rooms within the same house, and honestly, they're some of our favorite projects because it really allows us to consider the larger environment, and we feel like it results in the best final product for our clients. They're most satisfied because, they don't walk from one room to the next and think, oh man, this room looks great and this one's just not as good. Okay, so let's jump right in. The couple for this one is a retired couple. They moved into this 1980s ranch home a few years ago when they wanted to downsize. So here are a couple before pictures. These are actually before the phase 1 reno, so it's not totally accurate to what the space looks like right this minute. We are going to be working with this lovely couple on redoing their hallway bathroom, which we're going to be expanding to include a soaker tub for the lady of the house. They're also going to be kind of reorganizing some of the space in the back of the house to create a large master closet, which is lacking from their current master suite. And we're going to also help them give the kitchen a little bit more of a refresh. So I like to start every project by creating this style overview sheet. So you can see here that our overall aesthetic is kind of casual and clean, but definitely very modern and contemporary. The client is already using a lot of grays and blues, so we're going to continue that in a lot of our designs. And we're going to keep it feeling very modern with some beautiful polished nickel finishes, but of course bringing in those traditional silhouettes and really luxury materials that we love. So if you're not already, subscribe and be sure to check back next week.